everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Heritage Orchards. And finally, I am in India. I put some a couple of short videos just to let you know that I'm in India. And I was a bit busy. I'll keep bringing you a lot of videos, but right now I am with my very good friend, Samar Thakur. We call him Thakur. It's a big name. Search on Google what Thakur means. So he's a very good buddy of mine from my younger days. I've known him for more than 30 years, and he takes very good care of me when I'm in India. So thank you, Thakur.
Thank you, man.
For taking care of me and having me and handling me. So he's my new replacement for Philly from the Germany. And today we're gonna head to one of our friend's house. His dad's passed away last year, and it's his dad's anniversary. So we're just gonna go and give him a short visit. So let's go for a ride. Let me tell you, it's been raining. Indian roads are crazy, so you will see a lot of different streets. But today's journey gonna be a bit bumpy, so put your seatbelts on. Let's start the journey. See you on the road. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So that was the end of our ride. So this is my very good friend Ravinder Sarkar. We call him Ravi. That was his place where we went to see him. So finally we met him, and we're gonna spend some good time because soon after 2 days he's gonna leave back to another city where he works. So I'm really lucky to catch up with him. I've known him for a long time. So yeah, bit bumpy, but nice ride. I'll keep bringing you more videos like this. Until then, take care. I'll be back. Goodbye. Sayonara.
Sayonara.